Let P of t denote the number of people P at the Copacabana beach in Rio de Janeiro, T hours past midnight on a specific day. What does the statement P of 5 less than P of 9 mean? So before I even read this, let's think about this. So this is the number of people 5 hours past midnight on a specific day. So this is saying that the number of people 5 hours past midnight is less than the number of people 9 hours past midnight at Copacabana Beach. So the number of people 5 hours past midnight is less than the number of people 9 hours past midnight. So let's look at these choices. The time at which there were 5 people at the beach is earlier than the time there were 9 people. Well, no, the 5 and the 9 aren't the number of people. This is the time. This was the input into the function. The input into the function is time. This gives people as a function of time. You give a time, this function p, it outputs p of t, which is equal to the number of people on the beach at time t. So this 5, this is the input. This is the time 5 hours after, or not, I shouldn't say at time t. I guess you could say AM time, t hours past midnight, at t hours past midnight. Hours past midnight. So we can definitely rule this out. This isn't talking about 5 people and 9 people. This is talking about 5 hours after midnight is input, and how many people we have 5 hours after midnight is how many people we have 9 hours after midnight. 5 a.m. is an earlier time than 9 a.m. Well, that is a true statement, but that's not what this statement is saying. This isn't giving us information. We just know from, I guess, how we think about time or how we measure time that 5 a.m. is earlier than 9 a.m., but that's not what this statement is trying to say. So we'll rule that out. There were more people at the beach at 9 a.m. So to be clear, people at the beach at 9 a.m., that's that right over here. Then there were at 5 a.m. Then there were at 5 a.m. Well, that's right over there. And we see that this quantity here is greater than this magenta quantity is indeed greater than this green quantity, or the green quantity is less than the magenta quantity. So we would definitely pick that one.